Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Any Labs. This is a place where we do mini AI experiments to solve everyday frustrations. I love cooking new dishes for my family, but finding exciting recipes that satisfies every family member's need is no easy task. I hate having to click 20 different links, dodge ads, skim live stories, only to find out that I'm missing this one obscure ingredient without which this dish will fail. Honestly, I find this whole process very overwhelming. Sounds familiar? That's why I built an AI tool to take the stress out of meal prep. I'm calling this my little sous chef. In a nutshell, Sous Chef is an AI agent that scours the internet for recipes based on my family members' preferences, ingredients I want to use, and any dietary restrictions. It finds the top 5 recipes that fit these criteria. Next, it extracts the specific ingredient list for each recipe and sends me an easy-to-read email with links to the recipes and their respective ingredients. All I have to do now is quickly scan the email to review the recipes, check if I have the ingredients, and add the missing ones to my shopping list. It's simple, effective, and easy to use. Okay, time for a quick demo. Let's look for muffin recipes without sugar and then execute the code. You'll see in a couple of seconds, it's going to look for these recipes in websites that I've already mentioned in the code, but it's also going to look for recipes throughout the internet. And then it sent me an email in a couple of minutes. And now let's go to my inbox. I see there are 5 recipes, but it's missing ingredients for 3 of those. It's not perfect, but it's a good start. In this particular video, I focused on sharing an everyday problem I have and how I used AI to solve it. In a future video, I'll show more details of the coding process, challenges I came across, and my learnings from building this. Sous Chef honestly has been a game changer for me. No more endless scrolling, no more second guessing ingredients. It's just a faster, smarter way to meal prep. Do you have ideas for experiments with AI? Let me know in the comments and stay tuned for more AI-powered productivity hacks.